Teach Me TV back again with another fantastic video for you. We hope all is well. In today's video, we will be discussing what copywriting is, and why people need good copywriting skills. How do you produce good writing? Copywriting is what you should know how to do to produce quality writing. Copywriters are the people who write ads, and they're vital because they have to sell products and make people want them. Copywriters can work for companies or on their own. But either way, they're essential because without them there would be no marketing business as we know it. I'm going to share some tips with you today. I hope you're ready. If so, let's go. First, you have to think about what you want your writing to say. Then, you also need to think about the audience and how they will react to your writing. Once you know what you want your copy to say, and who you are trying to reach with your writing, you can start writing immediately. This will give a clear and concise thoughts. Your writing will reflect as such. Try using phrases like these. What I've got for you. What it's going to do for you. Who am I? What you need to do next. You want to let people know that it's not you the copywriter but the potential consumer and their benefits. The second is an excellent way to create consistency. Throughout your copy is to focus on one thing you're trying to convey. It's essential to use the exact words and sentence structure in your writing so that people can understand what you're trying to say. The third is to use keyword research. The most important thing you can do when you're writing is to use keywords. This means that you should use words that people will search for when they're looking for products on the topic you're writing about. You can find out what people are searching for on the internet by using keywords on Google. Some words are used more often than others when people search for things on the internet. So to find out what people are looking for, you can use keywords in Google and see what they come up with. I will drop a link below with a keyword tool you can use. The fourth is documenting your process and workflow. This is critical being that, let's say, you find a style and tools that assist with creating compelling copy. You want to make sure you keep that same flow and don't forget it. With everything you are doing already, it is easy to forget a step or process that makes things that much easier. So remember to have a Google Docs or Drive with those tips and processes. The fifth is call to action. The objective is to sell your product or someone else's. Do you want people to listen to you and follow your suggestions? Just give them a reason why. How are you going to make them happier, healthier, or richer? Which problems, complications, and difficulties will you help them to avoid? If you do this successfully, you will have no issues with turning a profit for your efforts. Use these tips to help get you started or add to your copywriting strategies. Don't forget to sign up to the Build Cash newsletter for more tips and tricks. If you learned something today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.